Luxury has always been about emotion. It's not just about what you wear. It's about how it makes you feel. The sense of weight on your wrist, the smoothness of the case, the glint of polished metal under sunlight. TAG Heuer has always understood that balance, precision and presence, heritage and modernity. But this time, something feels different. The new TAG Heuer connected Calibre E5 has arrived, and for the first time, it's not just another update. It's a complete rethink. The fifth generation of TAG's connected series marks a turning point, a moment when the brand stopped depending on others for the brains of its watch and decided to build its own. For years, TAG smartwatches ran on Google's Wear OS. That partnership gave them access to Android's app ecosystem, but also came with limits, lag, inconsistent updates, and compatibility quirks, especially for iPhone users. Now, TAG Heuer is stepping out from Google's shadow and taking full control. This time, it's running on TAG Heuer OS, a system developed entirely in-house. It's still built on the Android open-source foundation, but everything on top of it, from the interface to the animations to the performance tuning, is pure TAG Heuer. That means smoother transitions, better optimization, and a software experience designed to match the elegance of the hardware. And for iPhone users, that's a big deal. One of the biggest criticisms of earlier TAG Heuer smartwatches was how clunky they felt when paired with iOS. Slow notifications, unstable Bluetooth connections, random disconnections. It always seemed like a compromise, but not anymore. The Calibre E5 is now officially made for iPhone, and the difference is immediate. Notifications sync faster. Pairing fil instant. The connection stays stable, and everything works in a way that finally feels seamless. You can almost sense the relief from luxury users who wanted a premium smartwatch that worked perfectly with their iPhone, without having to wear an Apple Watch. It's a subtle but powerful shift, because this time, TAG isn't chasing Google or Apple. They're doing things their own way. Android users haven't been forgotten either. They still get full access to all built-in features, fitness tracking, notifications, and customization options. The only real omission is the lack of the Google Play Store. That means no third-party apps, no Google Pay, no external watch faces, at least for now. But truthfully, TAG Heuer's buyers aren't the type to worry about that. This watch isn't about chasing apps. It's about refinement, about building something that feels purposeful, not cluttered. When you strap on a TAG, you're not looking for distractions. You're looking for elegance, craftsmanship, and effortless precision. And that brings us to what might be the most immediately striking part of the Calibre E5, its design. Even before you power it on, this watch looks unmistakably TAG Heuer. Every surface, every curve, every click of the pushers has been designed with intent. The proportions are balanced, the lines sharp, the finish immaculate. For the first time, TAG is offering two distinct sizes, 45mm and 40mm. The 45mm model keeps that bold, confident presence the connected series is known for. A flat sapphire crystal sits above a ceramic bezel, giving it a sporty, professional look. The lugs are strong and angular, giving the watch its signature TAG stance. The 40mm model, on the other hand, brings something new, a beautiful domed sapphire crystal, reminiscent of vintage glassbox chronographs from TAG's mechanical collection. It gives the watch a subtle nostalgia, a nod to tradition wrapped in modern tech. The smaller case also makes the E5 more wearable for those with slimmer wrists or for those who prefer understated luxury. Then there's the tactile experience, the way the case flows into the strap, the satisfying click of the pushers, the smoothness of the rotating crown. These are the kind of details that separate a luxury smartwatch from the rest of the pack. TAG offers the E5 in multiple materials: stainless steel, black DLC-coated titanium, and rose gold PVD. Each one feels distinct, but all share the same DNA of durability and finesse. Pair that with a range of straps, rubber, leather, nylon, or metal, and you have a timepiece that can shift from the golf course to a formal dinner without missing a beat. And yes, it's priced accordingly, starting at around $1,600 for the 40mm model on a rubber strap, moving up to around $1,700 to $1,900 for the 45mm stainless steel version, and peaking at $2,400 for the titanium or golf editions. But the truth is, people don't buy TAG Heuer because it's cheap. They buy it because it feels alive, because it feels crafted, not assembled. Under that sapphire crystal sits a display that's brighter, sharper, and faster than before. TAG hasn't published the official brightness figures, but early impressions suggest it's noticeably more vibrant. The colors pop more. The blacks are deeper. The responsiveness is immediate. When you wake the display, it feels instant. No lag, no fade-in, just pure clarity. That's because TAG has fine-tuned the interface for fluidity. Everything you see, from the motion of the second hand to the smooth scroll of menus, has been engineered for precision. It's the digital equivalent of a Swiss movement, quiet, controlled, and elegant. Battery life has seen real improvement too. The 45mm version can last up to 3 days in low-power mode, or around 2 full days of normal use. The 40mm version manages about 2 days total, depending on your usage. And if you're in a hurry, a 30-minute charge gives you roughly a full day of power. That's the kind of reliability that fits seamlessly into daily life. No more babysitting your watch. No more anxiety about whether it'll make it through the evening. But what really makes the E5 shine isn't just its looks or its OS. It's the balance between lifestyle and performance. Fitness and wellness tracking have been overhauled. TAG Heuer now includes dual-band GPS for faster and more accurate positioning, heart rate, SpO₂, HRV, and sleep tracking, all integrated into a sleek new wellness dashboard. It's not just a list of stats. It's an experience, organized, minimalist, and designed to motivate rather than overwhelm. Every reading feels purposeful, every graph clear and easy to understand. And if you're a golfer, TAG has gone even further. The E5 Golf Edition takes everything the regular model does and layers on specialized software designed specifically for the sport. It includes improved shot tracking, automatic scoring, faster GPS locking, and over 40,000 preloaded golf course maps. It's like having a digital caddy built into your wrist, discreet, accurate, and always ready. Then there's something that nobody saw coming, a collaboration with New Balance. TAG Heuer has teamed up with the iconic running brand to create a special edition Calibre E5 that pairs directly with New Balance's Fuel Cell SC Elite V5 running shoes. This version of the watch comes with a black DLC titanium case and a sporty rubber textile hybrid strap, inspired by New Balance's shoe design. The watch faces are custom-built to match the shoe's color palette, making it a true collector's piece for runners who appreciate both performance and aesthetics. It's a subtle collaboration, but a clever one, showing that TAG Heuer isn't just focused on tradition. They're embracing lifestyle, culture, and modern partnerships that make sense. And that's what defines this watch. Because the Calibre E5 isn't trying to be an Apple Watch. It's not trying to be a Garmin either. It's trying to be a TAG Heuer, a watch that celebrates refinement over volume, craftsmanship over trends. TAG Heuer knows its audience. These are people who care about precision, beauty, and substance. They don't need 10,000 apps. They need something reliable, elegant, and built to last. Every generation of the connected series has inched closer to that balance. But the E5 feels like the point where everything finally clicks. It's the perfect intersection of heritage and innovation, of Swiss craftsmanship and smart functionality. You buy this watch because it looks like a TAG Heuer first. The technology comes second. But when you do explore its digital side, you realize how refined it's become. This is what happens when a luxury brand doesn't just follow trends, it shapes them. TAG Heuer's decision to build its own OS isn't about breaking ties with Google. It's about control. It's about crafting an experience that feels consistent, complete, and true to their design philosophy. That's a bold move in a world where most luxury brands simply license tech from bigger players. But it's a move that makes sense for TAG. Because when you think about it, the name TAG Heuer has always been associated with precision. They're mechanical watch. These are built with an obsessive attention to detail. Every cog, every jewel, every gear serving a purpose. Translating that mindset into software was the logical next step. The Calibre E5 is the result of that philosophy. It's a smartwatch that feels like a Swiss timepiece, not a gadget. And that's what makes it special. The Calibre E5 might not have the app library of an Apple Watch or the extreme durability of a Garmin, but it doesn't need to. Its purpose is different. It's about refinement, about the feeling of effortless sophistication every time you glance at your wrist. It's about balance between performance and elegance, between past and present, between tradition and innovation. TAG Heuer has found that balance. And that's why this watch matters. Because it reminds us that technology doesn't have to replace craftsmanship. It can elevate it.